Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be visiting Bolinao. Bolinao is a town on the west coast of Luzon Island, in the northern Philippines. This is my mother's hometown and we used to visit here yearly when our grandparents are still alive. We only have a short time to see some of the sights and we will definitely be back here again to show more of Bolinao. Bolinao is an accessible destination whether you are driving your own car or taking public transportation. There are direct buses to Bolinao from Manila. You'll find buses in Cubao or Pasay traveling to Bolinao. The trip takes approximately 6 hours one way. We suggest taking the night bus to have more time in Bolinao rather than in transit. The Spanish colonial St. James the Great Parish Church dates from the 1600s, and has an exterior made of black coral stones. It was built in 1609. It is a vestige of the Spaniards' reign in the Philippines. It has survived calamities throughout its lifetime.
A few moments later.
Balingasay River, meanwhile, is one of the cleanest rivers in Luzon. The local government wants to keep it that way by implementing environmental-friendly policies. They are also promoting it as a tourist destination where you can go on a leisurely cruise during your visit. Bolinao and Balingasay is a place where you can relax and unwind on your own, with friends or with family. This part of Balingasay has plenty to offer tourists. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again. Goodbye.
Bakit nagalit siya kay Panda?